Hi you guys, what's up? Okay, so this is a very special moment because I brought my husband in to a YouTube video which has never been seen before. And we are on a little mini beach trip. We are in, Biloxi, Alabama?
Mississippi.
Oh, no, sorry, we're in Mississippi still. We live in Mississippi. We're in Biloxi, yes. And for some reason it seems to be a tradition of mine to bring my vape device. This isn't the cotton candy one. This is a vanilla ice cream version flavor. And I don't know, I just thought it would be fun because, you know, we're grown-ass adults. You know, Donovan is, I'll let you tell.
What?
Oh, how old you are?
40.
He's 40, and I'm 31. Actually, 31 and what, 3/4? Remember I used to say that a lot. I was like, I'm 31 and a half, or a fourth, because, you know, my 32nd birthday is in December, the 18th. But anyway, okay, so everyone on TikTok thinks that I'm addicted, that I am, what's that word they use? They say I'm a, when you're hooked on it, you're not a fanatic, you're a fin? No?
Fiend.
A fiend? I'm like, what is that? Like, and I keep getting banned on TikTok. So if you keep seeing remakes and redos and old content, well, here's a perfect solution. Just stop getting me banned and I won't keep re-uploading, and because everyone's like, I've been trying to block you. I'm like, well, just let me be. Perfect solution. So anyway, we are going to just have a little bit of fun vaping, and you can see how I'm not a fiend. Sounds like offended, a friend, what? Because I will cough my head off like I did in that first video here on YouTube. Anyway, this is like such a great day. Like the beach, I've never been to the beach here in Biloxi. It's awesome. There's like this, well, it's not a boardwalk, there are boardwalks, but a sidewalk that's really close to the beach. We're gonna hopefully get some bicycles, rent them. That's not what yet, right? You can rent bicycles here. So when it's cooler, because the car says it's 99 degrees outside. I don't know if that's true or not, but it's really hot. We're like sweating and stuff, and we're probably about to go swim. But fun fact, we just saw a stingray in one area here on the beach, and I was like, and I didn't realize you can't see in the water. So I'm terrified because what you can't see, like what you don't know, is terrifying. Like, and I was telling Donovan, like, what if there's sharks and there's turtles and flesh-eating fish, and I don't know, like, he's braver than I am. Are you gonna go in all the way or part way? I'm thinking maybe we should just walk in the water a little ways because we did bring our swimming suits. But I guess we'll see. Where there's more people, there's less water life, maybe. But anyway, okay, let's get into it. Are you ready? So mine's just like a regular vape, and yours is what?
Cake. Vape.
Okay. All right, you ready? Let's get into it. Are you ready for this? Do you want to go first? Nice. So cool and hot. See? I am inhaling it. Ready? Because you're all like, you gotta inhale. I'm like, I know. But sometimes I don't because I cough so much and it still burns. Because if you want to know how much I ever vape, it's literally like once a month. The last time I did this was, I can't even remember, maybe 2 months ago? It feels like ice. Oh, here, let's not inhale and just do some cool. My arm's killing me. Oh, ouch. Sorry. I do have a little device to put in my window for I should have done that already. Oh well. Of course, we had to put our hat backwards. I'm like, let's look like a cool couple, you know? There's too much breeze in here. Let's turn it down a little bit. So fun. Are you done? Oh my arm. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so weak. You're actually sexy when you smoke. See, this is everything. Just the effect of it coming out of your mouth. Like, so fun. Guys, just a little forewarning. You need to be an adult to do this, okay? We recommend, well, we don't recommend, but oops. But it's okay when you're 31 and you're 40, okay? We are so grown up, so. I'm not blowing nose. What if I do a French inhale? Can you do a French inhale, Donovan?
Probably not with this.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's okay. So cool. I feel like we need some groovy music. What's on the radio? Let's see. Some country. What about pop? You know what? I have a Charlie Puth CD in here. I think. Do I? My CD player was breaking. Let's see if it's working. Please work. Oh, wait. It is working. Cool, cool. Let's see, what song, which one do you want to listen to? Which song is this one? I think a lot of these are breakup songs, though. What's next? Oh, remember this used to play everywhere. Save the day. Superman got nothing on me. How people don't like it, man. It's like, what are they doing smoking in our car? I don't think so. Oh, my forehead. It's not burning as much as I thought it would. But I don't do it hardly ever. Mr. and Mrs. Coffee. Cough, cough.
Bring a load of little Debbie's.
Oh, really? Is that a house? Or is that like... We're just sitting in a parking lot at some visitor center, and there's like a house close by. We're about to go in, what's it called? The Lighthouse Visitor Center? I think. So, that'll be fun. I cannot wait. there's so many birds here at this beach. Like, I will be posting pictures on my Instagram. I'm Lady Bedazzled Hannah on Instagram and also TikTok. I hope they're gonna be okay. There's always emergency vehicles everywhere. I always say a silent prayer for them. And then yeah, so this is for my, I don't know, I have so many social media accounts, guys. It's just, it gets a little overwhelming. Maybe I shouldn't have so many. I'd love to condense it down, but I don't know, but I feel like ASMR is for just my ASMR YouTube channel, Lady Hannah ASMR, and then this Lady Bedazzled Hannah on YouTube. And then yeah, so I'm Hannah Becker and Hannah Lassiter on YouTube, if you're wondering. And like I said earlier, TikTok is always banning me, and I don't know, I feel like a lot of people are getting banned lately. I don't know, we're all in the band life together. But yeah, but yeah, it's a beautiful summer day. It is officially fall now, but it still feels like summer, but you can tell fall's almost here. Okay, well, I guess that's all for now. We just wanted to vibe with our puffy devices, because it's tradition when we go to a beach. I don't know why, but I'm fun like that, so. Well, thank you, Donovan, for joining this fun video. Everyone is gonna love seeing you on here too, and yes, you're my special guest today, so we're not trying to set any bad examples, okay? Are you okay? Okay. We're just vibing on a little mini beach trip, because yeah, this is like the closest beach I think for us to get to, so yay. But anyway, ooh, we've got coffee still to finish now that we've cooled off a little bit. We might go and get some fun drinks, like some juice or some like Gatorade or something, because we didn't pack it in our cooler. Here's our, look, you can kind of see that there's our cooler with just water. The one time they're like, oh, we won't need it. I'm like, I wish we brought our Gatorade. And there's my little beach bag. And there's our, like, it's like a quilt blanket we use for the beach too. It works pretty good. So yeah, anyway, it's been forever since I made a video on this channel, so this was fun. All right, I'll catch you all next time. Bye. That's okay. Just me. I'll just,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, your poor lungs. They've had a fit. Guys, I don't know. I just feel like I don't have to prove this really. But at the same time, I'm like, but I want people to know, for whatever's worth, like, that it's so rare. And I don't know. You know what, Donovan? Okay, this just reminded me, just out of the blue, coughing. Well, it makes sense. Like, you get reminded of coughing scenarios in your life. Well, so the worst, okay, these were like authentic coughing situations, illnesses. I had the whooping cough. I don't know if have I told anyone that on social media? When? Where?
I better remember.
Was it on TikTok?
I think so. In your lives, at least.
Oh, maybe so. There's so much that I like. I don't know. I tell you guys a lot, but then obviously I don't want to tell you everything, because some things don't need to be shared for the world. and okay, I have so many rabbit trails going on. Bear with me. I'm sorry. My content is out there forever. Like, I tease you guys and say thank you for keeping me a legend on TikTok, because every time I get banned, like, there's content from years ago, from my first day, from other social media. Like, you guys just like seem obsessed with me, so thank you. I like to follow people too, and there's like some people you're like, they just intrigue you or interest you for whatever reason it is. But anyway, back to coughing. I had the whooping cough when I was probably like, I don't know, I'm gonna say 15 or 16 maybe. My whole family got it. And by the way, we got it from our vaccinated friends. So they were vaccinated for it and we were not, and we all had it. Like, I don't know, that just doesn't really make sense. It's like, I mean, I get it, because when you get a vaccination, you get injected with actual virus, so hopefully if you get it, it's not as bad, right? That's the concept of getting a vaccination, I guess. But, and I, like, my issue with vaccinations, I'm still running everywhere, is they put other really harmful ingredients in with vaccinations. It's not just the virus itself. So, like, if vaccinations could be made safer, I need to fix my hair, oh my gosh. But yeah, anyway. And then another time when I first moved out from home, I lived with my arm, sorry, I'm just gonna use this as an armrest. I lived with an older couple, and I remember I got, I don't know what kind of a cough it was, but it was, I don't know, it may have been worse than the 100-day whooping cough. I seriously think I injured my left lung, my rib cage, or yeah, my rib cage from it. So this just reminded me, like, I am causing coughing to happen, but those were like, you know, virus sickness related. And I don't know, coughing is fun in a way. I'm weird like that, like sneezing and coughing. Yeah, right. It's okay. We all have a sense or level of weirdness. I might be more extra, but it's okay. It's okay. So, and I think what's going on, because I didn't, like, in the previous segment of the video, I don't think I was inhaling it as much as I could. So I'm like, I'm gonna just go all out and see if I'm gonna cough more or not. It's just fun. Whatever. You ready? Okay. Because I think my brain is telling me, like, don't do it because it's gonna burn and it's gonna hurt, but we're gonna have fun. So is it still working? Yeah, it's still working. Anyway, yeah, I still cough. Yeah, that's my point. That was fun. All right, you guys, bye.